Do you ever get so tired of the day-to-day that you just want to drive miles and miles and miles down a dirt road that's washboarded so bad that if you feel like you go above 15 miles an hour, you're going to lose control of the car and end up in the ditch, all so you can canoe out to a campsite on a lake? Me too. I've got 3.5 to 4 miles to paddle. I've got a new piece of gear to test too that I'm excited about, but I'll show you that when we get there. Are you serious? He did not fight one bit. I literally dragged this guy across the top of the water the whole way in. Oh my gosh, yeah, you could have done that earlier. It's a really nice crappie. We'll let this one go. See you later, pal. Bye. Same thing, I'm just dragging this guy in. Another nice crappie. These are huge, dude. Wow. They have these man-made nesting platforms for bald eagles out here, which is pretty cool. But what's even cooler is right now there's an eagle with a nest on one of the platforms. Sick. That eagle just told me Sam the eagle from the Muppets is actually his second cousin twice removed on his mom's side. Small world. So crazy. I'm gonna give you a little tour. This is it's not really what I expected, but also it's not a bad thing. It's just it's a little different from what I'm used to. But come on, let's go. First, you gotta follow this winding path and up these stairs. It takes you to this big clearing. The clearing has so much space for all the activities you could ever want to do. There's a nice scenic overlook with a steep drop off with a nice safety rope. And if you're not really into safety, there is also a really little drop off with no safety rope, so you're covered there too. And then this Thunderbox is like space age. I don't even know, it's so shiny. It looks like it should be in Transformers. Actually, I don't really want to think about that. Never mind. We don't need Thunderboxes transforming or anything. I got this single person bug net bivvy thing for Christmas for my brother-in-law. Thanks, Ethan. So I'm gonna try it out. I haven't used it yet. Well, there we go. It's all set up. I'm a little worried it might be a little short for me, but I don't know. It'll probably be fine. All right, I gotta go get some firewood because I'm getting hungry and I want to eat. So we gotta get a fire going. I have to be honest though, sometimes getting firewood is not my favorite thing to do. Maybe if I just think really hard. No way! It worked! No way! No, actually, I'm pretty sure all this stuff got left by whoever was here before me, and I'm pretty sure they left today or yesterday, but probably today. We'll take it. I definitely learned something, and what I learned is I'm really bad at that. This is a recipe that I've made before, and I will 100% make again. We are having pizzas. An Italian classic, naan. Get in there! Pizza, pizza, pizza. It's a little overdone. This one's a little better. Pow! There we go. Are you joking? What? This is by far the biggest smallie I've ever caught. That's insane. It's huge, so beautiful. Are you kidding me? Oh man. It's been a good day. I wasn't like super excited about this campsite. I can't really see the water anywhere, but it's hard to complain about. I'm complaining about nothing really in reality. But I was thinking too, like if I was not at this site, I would not have caught that fish, and that fish was insane. It blew my mind. But yeah, I think that's it for me tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Slept pretty well, actually. I was surprised. I think it's time for a breakfast. Got a good one today. It's a European favorite. Over there they call it baguettes, blueberries. But here in the States you might know it as blueberry pancakes. Something that can be helpful for when you're making pancakes. You don't need a whisk, but you probably don't want to bring one. There's actually a way that you can make one out of a stick. So you're gonna grab a stick, and then the second thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna put it into whatever you're wanting to whisk and just kind of stir it around vigorously. But yeah, that's really it. Ho, 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 ho. Mm. Mm. Yep. Mm. Oh. Well, I think it's about time I hit the water, start making some miles. So I'm gonna get back down here and we'll get out there and do some paddling and fishing. definitely gonna troll like the whole way today. Which one? The one on the left? Your left or my left? Your left? Okay, wait, which way are you facing? You picked this one, yay! Oh my gosh. Who knows how long he's been on? Poor guy. Okay. He's also getting got by a leech, and I didn't even know. I just looked down and there was blood all over my feet. Maybe that little smallmouth will eat him. Fair trade. Boat blueberries. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh no. That was a good smallmouth. Like probably that. Man. Well, we are reaching the end of this one. It's so nice to get out, even if it's just for one night. I know I had a blast, and I hope that you did too. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.